Hello and good afternoon. I am Subhashri. Welcome you to IMS Midday Bulletin. Here are the headlines from across Odisha. Prime Minister Narendra Modi releases Hindi translation of the book Odisha Itihas, written by Utkal Keshari Harikrishna Mahatab. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan and BJD MP and son of Harikrishna Mahatab, Bhartruhari Mahatab, are also present at the event. The book has been published in the year when the nation is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. This year also marks 100 years of the incident when Harikrishna Mahatab left college and joined in the freedom struggle. When Gandhiji started Dandi Yatra, he led the movement in Odisha, said PM Modi. Today's public representative might get surprised to know that the party from which Harikrishna Mahatab became the CM is the same that he opposed during emergency and went to jail. He was a rare leader who went to jail for nation's freedom as well as to save its democracy, said PM Modi. Chief Minister Nabin Patnaik will address the people of the state at 4 p.m. today over COVID-19 situation. He is likely to appeal people to obey the COVID protocols strictly. Odisha reports 1,282 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours. Sundargarh reports maximum 224 cases, followed by Khordha 192, Kalahandi 108, Bargarh 84, Nuapada 82, Sambalpur 82, Cuttack 63. Students of the Utkal University blocked National Highway protesting BMC's decision of closure of hostels following surge in COVID-19 cases in the state capital. Vehicular movement affected for several hours. Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation issues guidelines for Lord Lingaraj Rukmana Ratha Yatra. No devotees will be allowed to participate in the Ratha Yatra as well as Bahuda Yatra. All servitories shall have to undergo mandatory RT-PCR testing before 48 hours of Ratha Yatra and Bahuda Yatra. Ganjam collector imposes fresh restrictions according to the new advisory issued by Ganjam collector. Gopalpur and Sonepur beaches will remain closed on Saturdays and Sundays, as well as Ramalingeswara Park and Tampara will be closed on Mondays. Ma Taratarani temple also remain closed on every Wednesday. Nighttime sanitation will be conducted twice a week after the closure of the temple for public darshan. Asoka Cinema Hall in Rayagada sealed on charges of violating COVID-19 guidelines. The cinema hall was operating without proper COVID norms like social distancing and sanitization. Question paper of OTD first sitting examination allegedly leaked from Devagada Government Girls High School. One candidate reportedly booked for taking photograph of the question paper. The mobile phone has been seized, informs Block Education Officer. Over 1.25 lakh candidates appearing the examination in 491 centers across the state. Vigilance conducts simultaneous raids at 4 places associated with Dilip Kumar Jena, senior clerk at Cuttack Kendu Leaf, chief conservator of Forest Office on disproportionate asset charges. That's all for today. Have a good day.